everyone, thank you guys so much for coming to see another video. I am so proud of this look. I know I'm blurry right now, my camera is dripping. You've done a lot of work for me, little Sony camera, and I'm absolutely done with you. As soon as I can find another one, we're done. So yeah, I basically just came up with this random decision. I was like, because I've really been wanting to use some gray eyeshadow, and that's what this is up here with a little bit of brown, and I'm really actually digging it. I was so confused if I was going to use pink little liner or if I was going to use blue. So glad I went with blue. I had to change my jacket. I was wearing pink the whole time, and I was like, I'm one of those people that has to match their makeup to their outfit, and so blue with pink, I just can't do it. And we are in my bedroom today. I filmed this video, and I'm going to film another one, maybe another one in this room, and then next week, which by the time you see this, it'll be this Friday, I will be moving into my apartment. So excited, you guys have no idea. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. Alright you guys, so we always start with priming the lid, and then I'm just using like a neutral brown to kind of start off this blend. And I'm using a Morphe brush. I think it's an M513, which is like one of my new favorites. It fits in the crease perfectly. And then I'm taking a 514, blending on this gray color from, I believe this color is from the BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette, which is an amazing color palette. If you guys are in search for one, go for BH Cosmetics. It is the best quality. They're actually matte, they're actually pigmented, and obviously I'm infatuated. I cannot stop using them. Then I blend a deeper gray color, like kind of like a charcoal color, and I believe that one came from the Ultimate Matte palette. And then I'm taking a really thin Morphe brush with some Shape Tape, and I just really slowly and easily start cutting out a half cut crease. Then I'm just taking like a fluffy flat brush from Morphe, and I'm packing on these colors. These are all mainly coming from the Modern Mattes palette, and at first they weren't really blending, but you gotta just keep going and keep putting the color on, and then eventually it'll blend like a nice gradient. Then I'm taking an Ulta shader brush, and I'm using that charcoal color for the outer corner. Then I'm cutting that crease again. And adding some glitter glue for this black glitter. At first I mixed some glitter, and it was kind of like a turquoise. So I just kind of started to mix the two and really made sure that I used black glitter. I'm obsessed with how cute it turned out. Then I just go back and forth with this glitter. I'll show you eventually how I fade out the edge, and it was actually really simple. You just kind of dot the glue around and then use the shader brush and just pack on shadow, and it really just blends it in pretty well. Some people use like a fluffy brush to apply glitter like that, but I find this way works. Then we're going to do the under eye. And I'm using my BH Cosmetics fan brush, which is really dense, and it packs on the color under there and really makes it pop. And then I'm applying some lashes. So here's the final look, you guys. What do you think? I'm really happy that I decided to go with a black glitter because it's just really pops against the little blue liner and the blue underneath. And I'm really glad that I branched out and I used gray, and I also faded it with the brown. Why am I telling you like you didn't just watch it? But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Pray for me because I'm going to be moving into my apartment soon, and I'm so excited. I'm so happy that y'all are here just supporting me and being so sweet. Literally, all you guys are so sweet. Everyone who comments on my videos, everyone who is following my Instagram, like, you guys mean the absolute world to me. Can't wait to share with you my apartment and stuff that's going on, so you guys stick around. So thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
My camera just can't handle me right now, and that's okay, because I can't handle it. I'm just one of those people that has to, like, match their clothes to their outfit. What?